Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 5, chapter determinant, exercise 1, and we are in question number 14. The question is, we have to, the system of equation is given. Yes, it is a 3-variable, 3-equation, and we have to comment on the consistency of the system. So let's first write the equation. So 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 2, and 0 plus 2y minus z is equal to minus 1, and 3x minus 5y plus 0 is equal to 3. All right. So again, how do we approach? We have to first find the determinant which is found from the coefficient. So coefficient determinant, which will be 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 1, and 3 minus 5 and 0. So first thing first, we have to find the value of this determinant. If this determinant is equal to 0, okay, so we can solve it, and here we can see that determinant value is coming to be 0. So when the value of the determinant is 0, when the value of the determinant is equal to 0, then we have to explore further. So it's a case of either infinite solution or no solution. Okay? No solution. So first thing, it does not have unique solution, but if it gets infinite solution, still it is consistent. Okay, so just look at the theory first. X into d will be equal to dx, and y into d is equal to dy, and z into d. So this is what Kramer gave us. Now here we see that value of the determinant is coming to be all 0. So our one side of the equation is naturally becoming 0. So if the left hand side, or in this case the right hand side, is also 0, if all dx, dy, dz, they all become 0, then we can put x, y, z any value, and that is a case of infinite solution. But if any of them is non-zero, any one of them is non-zero, then the system breaks down, or it cannot be true. How can 0 be equal to non-zero? So it will be a case of no solution. So here, if we put dx, so we have to try. There is no other way here. So you have to try dx. Dx meaning you replace the first column with the constants. Dy is replace the second column with the constant. Dz is replace the third column with the constant, and find the value. So here the first dx value itself became not equal to 0. So here this equation becomes very weird. One side is 0, the other side is non-zero. So it's a case of no solution, or the system is inconsistent. Thank you.